Let's check it out. MacBook Pro. I think this is 14, 15, 16. Well, it doesn't want to open. Oh, we have to do this. To get it open, you got to turn it over. And there's these little green things here. So you just kind of pull those off. Just like that. You see that? Okay, now I should just be able to flip it over. And it should just open up. Bam, there it is. We'll set the top over there. Let's turn it around. Let's pull this open. And you can see they got it wrapped up really good. Because, you know, it's a MacBook. $2,000 worth of computer. Put that over there, and there it is. Look at it. Dang it. Dang, it looks good. Oh. Wow, we're ready to go already. Check it out. All right, it's loading. What do you think? Hello. So now you got to set this thing up, and which is not that hard. Boy, I love the color, don't you guys? Let's see what else we got in here. All right, so I think that I do believe that this is a USB-C to USB. Oh no, it's the magnetic connector. So this is your power cord here. And I'm not sure if this comes with a block or not. So let's just set this over to the side for a second. And let's take a look and see if there's a block in here. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Oh, look, we got a block. Holy cow. Most of their stuff doesn't come with blocks. So that is good news. So that is good news. Look at that. Look at that. So now you got a block. It's USB-C. To get her going, you got to get this open, right? This is nice, by the way. This is not cheap. This is really thick and nice. So this would go in here, right? And then this part right here, you got to put on the side of the computer. And I'm not sure, I think it's on this side. Yeah, it's right here. See that? So that's where that's going to go. Of course, we might have to stretch her out a little bit. We got to figure out where we're going to plug it in, right? Okay, so here you go. To get her charged up, I think this has got a pretty good charge in it already, but we just got to set that on there. There it is. Bam, done. Now we can take this and we can plug this in somewhere. All right, I got it plugged in. That took a while. All right, so it was telling me to do something while I was under there. I'm not quite sure what it wanted me to do, but I think what we're going to do is we're going to do America, so we're going to hit that. And then I'm going to slide over with my mouse. I'm going to hit continue. All right, accessibility, not now. We can always do that later, so let's just go now. All right, we got to select our Wi-Fi network. What's our Wi-Fi network?
Right.
All right, and that is the MacBook Pro. Of course, you got to hook up to your Wi-Fi and do all that stuff, and download your iCloud and all that information in there from maybe your other computer or wherever you have it stored. But that's it. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos.